All right, this is a difference quotient. What it does is it takes any function f of x, such as, x cubed minus 2x squared, anything like that is a function. It's gonna make you do something to whatever number you plug in. Okay? So if you change the value of the x that you put in by h units, you're going to get some other number out. Okay, and that's what we call the difference quotient. This is the very basis of calculus. So the function of x plus h minus the function of ax divided by h. So that's just the name of it, the difference quotient. We're going to go ahead and do 1 or 2. So here is a function. We're calling it g of x, but we do that to it. Okay, so we're going to find the difference quotient of that using this formula. I had to make it small because these problems get kind of long. So first thing we're going to do is the f of x plus h. That's what this is. So every time we see an x in the original function, we replace it with x plus h. So it's going to be, instead of x squared, x plus h squared. Instead of minus 4x, it's going to be minus 4x plus h, etc., etc. And then we're going to go ahead and subtract the function of x, which we already know. So the rest is, as they say, algebra. Okay. Oh, yeah, don't forget to divide it by h. So this part right here, x plus h squared, comes out to that. You should know that when you square any two-term item and they're both positive and you're adding them, it always comes out in this format. Okay. This part, negative 4x times, negative 4 times x plus h is this bad boy right here. Negative 3 stays the same. And then when you subtract, always subtract with parentheses because you're subtracting the entire function. And that's a common error, is to get these signs wrong. So, but if you subtract the entire thing, you get this guy. Okay. Now it's time to add like terms. What like terms do we have? There's a negative x squared here and a positive x squared there. Let's get rid of those boys. Boop. Okay, what else do we have? We have a positive 4x over here, negative 4x right there. They cancel out nicely. Boop. What else we got? We got, oh yeah, negative 3, positive 3. This is getting easier. And I think that's it. So let's go ahead and rewrite it a little bit. I always put the highest exponent in first, and then just go down from there. So this is what we have. Let's get a little bit of working room here. So now we need to reduce that. You'll notice that there is an h as a factor in each of the terms on the numerator. We're going to factor that bad boy out. And what do you know? This h on top is going to cancel with that h on the bottom. And let's do that. Bam. So this is now what we have. Remember, when you cancel something on the bottom, you always replace it with a 1. Don't put a 0 under there. That would be bad. And that's just your answer right there. In notation, we always put the x's first. So this is the difference quotient from this function. That's your answer. MGZ, out.